plant the hands in front of you. Lower down like we're coming into a tabletop, but leave the knees hovering. Move the right hand, left foot forward, left hand, right foot, all the way to the top of the mat, and then move back. So opposite hand, opposite foot. Walk up and down your mat. Come to the back. And then come forward one more time. Walk your feet all the way to the top of the mat. Forward fold again. And sway side to side. And now reach your arms back. Working on the core with this. Engage the core so much that you fold deeper. Reach the fingers back. Focus on the core so that you feel it here. Squeeze through the core to help you fold deeper. Hold it. Hold it. And release. Round up. One vertebrae at a time. Ground down through your feet. Your feet can be hip distance apart, or toes can be touching, slight gap between your heels. Everyone lift up all 10 toes. Spread your toes really wide, and then try to lower them down, starting with the baby toe, doing as best as you can. Big toes last. Lift up the